so despair.
I know it would not be so easy for you to make an adjustment, but I want you to know that I am very willing to extend both my arms to help you sort those changes in your life.
How can I repay your kindness? But I please you, don't worry. Soon I will be okay.
Yeah, by the way, I have to go. Don't forget to take your medicine. If you need something, just call outside. Somebody will respond.
Yes, ma'am. Take care.
Same to you.
How you doing, party people? Yeah. Well, this is Andrew.
Sabi ma'am. Ay, ma'am, sorry po.
And I'm gonna do a song that you never heard before.
Oh, those guys are really awesome, right? You know what? I dreamed a very sweet love story last night. Really? What's that? Huh? What crazy are you doing, huh? You're quite ambitious.
Go.
How dare you to say that? And so what?
Go.
It's only 6:30. Too early to mind the business of others. Why don't you mind your own?
Go. Go.
No more words, comments, suggestions,
Go.
and violent reaction, or else I'll punch you. Tomorrow, right? Yes. And you know what? I really miss my shopping. It's been a month since we first saw. Actually, last night, my mother helped me to pack my stuff. Oh, that's pretty good.
If you will be flying tomorrow, I will take the opportunity to introduce to you.
Meet me?
Yes, my cousin. She will be our new classmate. Unfortunately, because of her fever, she's unable to be with us right now. But hopefully, she will be fine.
Really good. Please tell me that we are very excited to see you.
Yes, I will.
What are you doing, guys?
Playing games.
Reading ebook.
He's really busy for not replying my texts.
Is there any reason for him to reply you back?
What are you trying to say? You mean for him I'm nothing?
I never said that. Not totally.
Why you don't look for someone else? Someone who's willing to pay back your affection. Someone who will care and not going to push aside your feelings. Besides, Stephen is just fine out of willing the man the work. You can find better.
If I could only teach my heart, and so I do. But sorry to say, it was my heart who fall in love, and I cannot force it to obey my command.
Gosh, game over.
Hey!
Oh, what?
Why are you staring at them like that?
You sound cute, aren't you?
Huh? I'm the first one who asked the question, so answer me first.
Those poor boys, obviously they are good looking. That's why most of the girls in the campus are attracted to them.
But who can say that behind their handsome faces is a heart that is willing to help? How can I call it? A sudden passion or a little affection?
Are you not satisfied with what you see?
Say this, please. You know what's wrong with us? We make a lot of judgments to others. Why don't we give them a chance to prove themselves? Oh yes, I admit. Come on, let's go there.
Hi, Fanny! Amity, is that you?
By the way, Kelly, Ira, this is Amity. She's the one I've been talking about, remember? Amity, these are my friends.
You're both pretty, like your necklace.
Oh, thank you. So, we can start doing our community service all together, right? Yes, let's go!
Go, shall we go? Hi guys! Sorry I'm late. It's okay. Girls, be sure to pack up all the things, ha?
Oh, Amity, have you wore off your necklace? Yes, I just put it.
Girl, what's wrong?
Have you lost your necklace? I think I misplaced it. I have to find this before we leave.
Amity, wait! We'll help you! Amity!
Is this what you're looking for? Miss, is this what you're looking for?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Okay, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. We are from Lucena de la Hica National High School, and we are here today
bracelet?
To the stranger I met who found this necklace.
Aha, Lucky's the stranger.
Huh? Lucky? But why?
I know that you're a kind of person who appreciate even the simple things. But you know what? The twinkle in your eye, that's something I've never seen before.
What do you mean?
Just tell me honestly, are you in love?
Huh? Oh, how could you be malicious like that? You know how much this necklace is important to me. I just want to be thankful to the person who helped me to find this. And besides, I am new in this place. It was such a great help to meet someone like him. We are both a stranger in the eye of each other, and though I'm just a stranger for him, he helped me in a way I will never forget. Funny!
I'm just testing you, and how could that you're so overreacted?
Because I don't want you to think that way.
Oh, don't worry. I'll never do that unless
Unless what?
it was stated.
Oh, Alex, what's up? How's your trip? So,
Hey baby, we miss you!
where are you now? Okay, just stay at your place and we will be there. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.
I want to assume nothing. Of course, you can obviously enjoy the rest of your life without my presence. And who am I to pretend? I guess you don't even miss me. For about my 2 last days in the Lahigan, I've been waiting for your text. Just a simple hi or hello. How are you, Alex? Are you still alive? But you never do.
Oh, it's because we don't want to disturb you.
We want you to enjoy your day.
But obviously, you really get bored